How to post video on Instagram and not reel. The very first thing you need to make sure that your application Instagram is up to date. If not, you can head over to your app store and then update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, open it. Make sure you are logged in to a specific account. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. At the right side of the screen, you will see different categories: post, story, reel, and live. All you have to do is select on post. The interface of your gallery will appear. Over here, when you select a video, you need to make sure that the duration of the video is more than 15 seconds. Let me choose this video for now. Click on next at the top right corner. You can edit the video with all the features above. And once you are done with editing, click on next at the bottom right corner. Now you can enter the caption or the poll to your post. And once you are done, click on share at the bottom right corner. After a while, this video will be uploaded as a post on your Instagram, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can post a video on Instagram and not reel. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.